Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can enable regional pricing on Roblox. So let's get started. Regional pricing is a useful Roblox feature that automatically adjusts the price of your game passes for players in different countries. This helps make your items more affordable based on local economies while still keeping your original base price as the reference. To enable it, open the Roblox website and sign into your account. At the top of the page, click Create to open the Creator dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select Creations, then choose the experience that contains the game pass you want to edit. Once you're inside the experience settings, scroll down the left menu and click Monetization, then select Passes. Find the game pass you want to update and click on it to open its settings. Next, go to the Sales section. Make sure the game pass is already available for sale and that you've set a base price. After that, scroll down until you see the Regional Pricing option. If you're unsure how it works, you can click the information icon next to the setting to read more about it. Roblox automatically calculates prices for different regions and limits the discount so the regional price won't be reduced by more than 30% compared to your base price. Simply enable the regional pricing toggle and click Save Changes. Once the changes are saved, regional pricing will be active for that game pass, allowing Roblox to automatically adjust its price for eligible countries. That's all you need to do to enable regional pricing on Roblox. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.